Look at this guy right here. What a cutie pie. It's almost like Annie's pregnant again. He's back in his natural habitat.
Good morning, guys. Happy New Year. It's January 1st.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. We're starting off the year right. Getting Starbucks. Power is. And we're heading to church. That's the way to go, right? Yep. And then later on, I don't know what we have planned, but gotta do some more laundry, gotta pack, yada yada. PJ, do you know today is the start of a brand new year, 2017?
Yeah.
You do? What was your favorite part of last year? Did you have a favorite thing that happened? What about when Uriah was born? Yeah, that was a pretty good one. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
We're home.
And my parrot ate some of my chicken.
Oh, your parrot ate some?
Yeah, because
PJ's having some dino nuggets for lunch, and then he's gonna, I guess, go over to play with Lyndon.
They're not home yet.
They're not home yet, yeah. So this is gonna be like their last time to play before we go on vacation. So I'm like, alright. Whatevs. I'm just boiling some dumplings and noodles.
Dumplings?
Power's eating some leftovers. We're just scrounging today. It's all good. I got Uriah's lunch ready too. It's the organic carrots that I made yesterday. Yeah? Hurry up, he's hungry?
yeah,
Okay.
it's going.
Okay. He's making a little bit of noise. Dad, when you have time, can you put Uriah in his seat? There's my lunch right there. Uriah. We got yours coming up. What is that? What is that look? You look a little apprehensive. Come on. Come on, you liked it yesterday. You like carrots.
You're trying to be serious.
You want to feed yourself, huh? How is that? See? Isn't that good? Give me my spoon. Man, this guy seriously has a death grip. Okay, there. How's that? Good? Yum yum? I think you like it. Good. Whoa.
Should we watch some Finding Dory?
Yeah.
Yeah? You gonna finish all your nuggets?
Want to drink the water? Yeah, good job. He's actually very into drinking this little cup. PJ never really used sippy cups like this. I don't know, PJ just never really put stuff in his mouth, but Uriah puts everything in his mouth. So he's just going to town. Good job, Uriah. You getting some water? I'll tip it up. Oh man, I didn't realize how tired I was. I had nursed Uriah, put him down for a nap, and then I fell asleep. It's like 4 something right now, and Power got PJ to nap a little bit, and then he took him over to Yonen's so that they could watch a movie with Lyndon and stuff like that. I don't know what movie they're watching. Some Sing or something? I'm not familiar with. Yeah, I'm not familiar with that movie either. So he's gonna have a good time there. We just bundled Uriah up. We're on our way out. Gonna hit up Target or Walmart, someplace, get some last minute items for our trip. We're not leaving tomorrow. We're gonna leave next day, but I'm trying to slowly get all of our packing situated. And Target didn't have some of the stuff when we went the other day.
We are at Target. Look at this guy right here. What a cutie pie. It's almost like Annie's pregnant again. He's back in his natural habitat. The little monster. We are at Daiso picking up some stuff for our trip to. And the baby wearing kind of the other way.
Peach cough candy. I'm gonna try it out. And then some snacks.
And some toys and stuff.
So we're at this like super random, it's kind of like a boba cafe kind of place. It just opened up, but like, I don't know, Chipotle was closed. We were like indecisive where to go, and then this place was like right next door. So we're having Asian food and Asian drinks.
Popcorn chicken has been growing on me.
I know, I like popcorn chicken too. It's probably like so bad for us. Sometimes it's like barely any meat, it's just all batter, right? You're right, being a good boy. My little monster. My little monster. I don't think you guys seen his shirt yet. It says, my first New Year. This is your first New Year, Uriah. What? What? I think Grandma and Grandpa wants PJ to sleep over tonight, so I'm not too sure what the plan is, but I wouldn't be surprised if he doesn't come home tonight. Thank you. It's wobbly.
Huh?
The table's wobbly. We got a large passion fruit green tea. It is quite large. It's good. Our favorite Asian snack. I don't know.
Fried Asian taste is good.
Yeah. Popcorn shrimp, and he got some squid. Tastes like popcorn shrimp. I mean chicken. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Annie's food came. I don't even know what she ordered.
I ordered Chinese sausage.
It's like Chinese sausage, rice, veggies. Ugh, does not look good to me at all.
It does look good. Crazy. What kind of Asian are you?
Not a good one.
It's like comfort food.
We are back home, getting everything all packed up. PJ spending the night at my parents. Uriah's actually sleeping. And we're gonna go ahead and wrap up the vlog for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, thumbs up. I hope you guys will subscribe below. We're gonna go on a Hawaii trip pretty soon, so you guys will want to tune in and check all that out. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.